are you always
Remember
lazy around in my
me,
house? And I told you walk
Almighty
hard, take over, sit down, always.
Remember me, oh
This is so
Lord.
tender. You are
Remember
so
me,
lazy. No food for you in my house.
Remember me, dear Lord, I pray. Remember me, Almighty
Oh God, save me! My stepmother is so wicked to
Remember
me.
me, my Father. Remember me, oh Almighty God.
I told you to be
Remember
careful.
me, dear
Sorry, it's so
Lord.
heavy.
Excuses you must learn.
I will, please.
Go on, get behind the hut. And stay out of sight.
Remember me, Almighty God. Remember me, oh Lord.
Get up and go to the farm, lazy
Remember
girl.
me,
Be fast about
Almighty
it.
God. Remember me, dear Lord, I pray.
Stop treating that poor girl badly. I know she's not yours.
Remember me, my Father.
Why is my stepmom so wicked
Remember
to
me,
me?
oh
Ow, it
Almighty
hurts.
God.
I need to keep going.
Dear Lord,